Good day, everyone. So today we will have your first lesson in our block 6. So are you ready? Very good. So let's start with the question, what number comes before 12? What number comes before 12? Very good. 11 comes before 12. Next question. What number comes after 18? What number comes after 18? Very good. 19 comes after 18. 19 comes after 18. How about what number lies between 9 and 11? What number lies between 9 and 11? Very good. 10 lies between 9 and 11. Great job! You got the correct answers. So today we will learn about before, between, after. So this would be our aim for today. We will find numbers that come before, after, and between. We will find numbers that come before, after, and between. So in your activity, we will use a number line to find out what would be the number come before, after, and between. So enable for us to find out what are the answer using our given number line. In each item, we need to mark the given digit and we will use the arrow going to the left for before, arrow going to the right for after, and a heart sign for between of a two number. So let's start. So let's have before 25. Letter A, before 25. So we have the number or the number line 21 to 30. So the first thing we need to do is to mark 25. Okay? Again, what it pertains before. So when you say before, we need to do the direction going to the left. So we will jump 1. So what would be the number comes before 25? Okay, very good. So as you can see, the arrow reached 24. So we can see that 24 comes before 25. Let's have letter B. After 34, so we have the number line 31 to 40. So the first thing you need to do is to, okay, we need to mark number 34. Because it pertains after, we need to have the arrow forward or going to the right. So we will have the arrow going to the right. We jump 1 number, so that is 35. How about letter C? We have letter C between 38 and 40. So we will use the number line 31 to 40. The first thing we need to do is to mark that is 38 and 40. Okay? When you say between, we are pertaining with the middle, so we will use heart to identify our middle number between the numbers 38 and 40, and that is 39. So we can see that 39 lies between 38 and 40. Now, it's your turn to answer letter D, E, F using the number line. So I want you to pause the video, enable for you to have enough time to answer the following. Okay, time is up. I guess everybody is done answering our activity D, E, F. Okay, so in our letter D, we have before 74. So we have the number line of 71 to 80. We need to mark 74 because it's before. We need to use the arrow going to left. Okay, so what is the number that is before 74? Very good. That is 73. So we can say that 73 comes before 74. Let's have letter E. After 69. After 69. So we have the number lines, or the number line of 61 to 70. Again, we need to mark the 69 and to move where? What direction? Left or right? Very good, because it is after, we need to move to the right. So the number would be, very good, it's 70. So we can see that 70 comes after 69. And the last one, we have between 66 and 68. So again, we need to use the number line 61 to 70. So the first thing we need to do is to mark numbers 66 and 68. So what is your middle between them? Very good. That is 67. So we can see that 67 lies between 66 and 68. So what have you observed when we are doing the activity? Okay, we mark the numbers given to us. Then we'll go with the direction we're in. We are pertaining with the before, after, and between. So how do we find out a number that is asking for before? Very good. We count backward. So enable for us to find the before of a certain number, we move backward. How about after? Okay, good idea. We can tell the number that is after if we will count forward. How about between? How can we identify what is the number between of a two number? Very good. We mark the numbers and look at the middle of it. Very good. You got the correct answers. So now that you know how to find out what is the number comes before, after, and between, let's have a riddle. I come after 38. I also lie between 38 and 40. What number am I? Guess me. Again, I come after 38. I also lie between 38 and 40. What number am I? So as you can see with the given hints, we can identify what would be the number, thus the it telling us. Okay, we'll start with the first sentence. I come after 38. So we are looking for the number comes after 38. And the second sentence, I also lie between. Okay, so it is in the middle of 38 and 40. So what would be our answer? Okay, so we have after 38, we need to count forward 38. Okay, very good. 39. How about 38 blank 40? What is the middle of it? Very good. It's 39. So we can see that the number is 39. So now that you know how to find out the numbers comes after, before, after, and between of using the number line or counting backward or forward, we can now answer our offline classwork in your workbook, page 30. Again, you need to answer your offline class workbook in your workbook in page 30. So I guess everybody enjoy finding out the before, between, after numbers. So that would be all for today. God bless everyone.